In this LoopholeLink review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to get 100% free traffic using a loophole that very few people know about. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on every single one of them. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out LoopholeLink, just go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of special bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says we found a traffic loophole inside a $436 billion company. In 30 seconds, mass promote any link for free buyer traffic and make us $371 per day passively. No website, no experience, no tech skill, no hard cost. So essentially what this whole method is, what's behind it all is easily creating books for the different e-publishing marketplaces and publishing it out there and being able to get a ton of free traffic that way. They have a software that will create these books for you and submit them to these different platforms. I'm going to show you a demo of that in just a little bit. Now, they've got some screenshots here. I can't verify any of these screenshots to say that this is like coming directly from the software. Nowadays, I see these screenshots and I don't believe anything anymore. So you can take this with a grain of salt. Here it says 27 newbie beta testers made this money here, but I mean, it's without like a video or something kind of walking you through, I can't vouch for that at all. Here's another one here, a person with a screenshot. But again, I don't trust these. These look like stock image pictures here, but I could be very, very wrong. So step 1, click the buy button to secure your copy. Step 2, log in and enter the link that you want. And then sit back, it says relax and let the software do the work. But guys, like I said before, you want to buy these based upon what they do, not based upon the fancy income claims here that they have on the sales page. Now let me go back all the way down here. Well, you can look at the rest of that on your own time. But if you purchase, what you're going to get here, you're going to get access to the software. You get access to the step-by-step training. You get a $247 in 24 hours real-life case study. You get 7 ways to make $500 daily with LoopholeLink, mastermind group, and support here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring you over, show you an actual demo of inside the software so you can see what this actually is. Then I'm going to walk you through the OTOs and upgrades and show you the discounts. Oh, one more thing. You can get a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. So if you move your mouse away, it says here, claim $4 off. So make sure you do that. And there's also, you can click yes here and you can add on 4 billion additional buyers traffic source here. So if you want to add that on, you can add it on. It's up to you, but there's a discount code if you move your mouse away.
Hey guys, this is Branson Tay here and welcome to LoopholeLink. And first of all, I want to thank you so much for investing and putting your trust into our software and giving it a try. So basically, I'm going to give you a summary and what LoopholeLink software is all about. Now basically, we develop this software to give you revenue upfront so that you can get paid upfront up to $37 a pop, and after that you can generate free traffic and getting traffic to any link of your choice, any website or any offers. So basically that's the idea when we develop this software. So basically once you go onto your dashboard, you can look through different your account level, whether you purchase the front end or any upgrades, for example unlimited access. So if you have the front-end access, you can only create 20 ebooks, 20 campaigns per month, and you can refresh the limitation every single month. If you upgrade to unlimited, you can create unlimited campaign, you can create unlimited ebooks, you can build unlimited funnels. So you can see your account privilege right there, how many campaigns you created, how many ebooks you created, how many funnels, and all your stats on your dashboard. So basically when you click on create campaign button, that's where you can start creating your first LoopholeLink campaign. You can go through all the steps. You're going to have a separate tutorial videos that guide you through exactly how to do that. Basically once you created your campaign, you can see all your campaigns under this category, which is Loophole campaigns. And once you created your campaign, you can actually submit your campaign to different major websites to start siphoning sales from multi-billion-dollar company. And the primary company that we want to target is actually Kindle Publishing, right? Amazon KDP. Now, the idea behind this entire strategy is that we're gonna give you this software that allows you to create different ebooks, different done-for-you ebooks with just a few clicks of a button. As you can see here, when I click on this button, create ebook, you can go through all the steps to create a very beautiful and professional looking digital products and ebook, which you can then, build a funnel, right? We allow you to build a funnel to capture your list, to build your email list, and also to deliver your ebook. And once you create your ebook, you can go on to this section, submit your campaign. And this is where you can submit all your books by signing up for free on different major websites and companies. So I'll have another separate videos right here on top to walk you through exactly how to do that. So basically, that's the entire concept of this LoopholeLink software, where you can create ebooks, you can create loophole campaign, you can build funnels, and you can target different major websites and siphoning sales from there. Let them market your products, let them sell your ebooks, so you can generate revenue upfront and you can get traffic from those links inside your ebooks. So say for example, this is one of the ebook that you can create using LoopholeLink. You can edit your title, you can put in whatever image that you want. We have all the automation that you can do, but this is just one of the done for you ebook that we have created. As you can see here, they're so professional with all the images, all the valuable and unique content. Right here you can see there's a full-blown ebook that you can sell on different major websites. I'm talking about Amazon, Payhip, Gumroad, also the different websites. We give you a full list of websites that you can sign up and start selling your ebook, start submitting and uploading your campaign, your ebook to those websites. And as you can see here, once you make sales and revenue on those websites by selling your ebooks, you can even embed your link. For example, you can embed a link right there. For example, you can highlight and embed whatever links that you want on this ebook. And this is incredible strategy because first of all, you get paid upfront. That's number one. You get paid upfront and let them to market your products, market your ebook, and you make money. And secondly, once the buyers, they start reading your ebooks, they're gonna go through that, they're gonna absorb all the values, and you're gonna get so much higher conversion when they click through any link that you hyperlink or embed in your ebook that's relevant to what they're interested in the first place. Say for example, they're interested about health and weight loss, they're gonna buy the ebook, and then when you link them to certain affiliate products about health and fitness, guess what? It's very likely they'll purchase from your link because you offer value, you're trustable, you build an authority. That's a really powerful strategy behind these secret tactics that we are working on, and we are getting incredible results from our beta testers. So we look forward to you to take advantage of this software to maximize the value, because we offer so many stuff for you, including all the stats that you can monitor, all the training, all the campaigns that you can create, submission, create ebooks, create funnel, hook up your autoresponder, build your list. We even offer you extra traffic and also different bonuses that we give you, and also support desk to assist you whenever you face any problem. So once again, we welcome you to LoopholeLink and enjoy your Loophole journey. I'll see you on the inside.
Okay, so here's the backend area like you saw before, but I want to show you the OTO. So the first one here is going to give you unlimited, remove all limits on your account, maximize it, get an unfair advantage. But what you want to do when you get to the sales page is you want to move your mouse away on this and you can get a $10 off discount. So make sure that you do that. Next one here, do it again. You can get a $100 discount if you move your mouse away. I want you to do that. This is, do you want us to set it up for you? So this is a done for you version of it. The next one they have here is you want to turn traffic you get from it into $1,000 commissions. So this shows you how to get $1,000 commissions from that. You can get a $50 discount if you move your mouse away. Please do that. I want to get 1,000 to 2,000 additional daily clicks. So this is more traffic. Move your mouse away. You can get $100 off and bring that price down to 67. Next one, you can get $400 off this and bring the price down to 97. So definitely make sure you do that. This is resale rights for this. You can get a major discount if you move your mouse away. And the last one, move your mouse away, you get a $50 discount. And this is it says called the missing piece here. So it looks like an extra software edition to this. So again, all these different OTOs and upgrades are 100% optional. You don't need them to make the software work. Pick and choose which ones you want and forget about the ones that you don't. So what do I like about LoopholeLink and what don't I like about it? I think it's obvious. What I don't like about it is all the different screenshots of income on the sales page that are unverifiable and all the hype behind it. It's unnecessary. I really think that this software could sell by itself just based upon what it does as a software. What do I think is good about this? The software. I think it's a neat idea. I think it's great. I've actually gotten traffic from these traffic sources myself, some of them, and it's a way of getting free traffic. And if they've made it a little bit easier, then why not get free traffic? Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to check out LoopholeLink, go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.